Hi everyone, welcome to Health 280 Global Health. This is an online section for this course for fall of 2024. As we work together over the next 16 weeks, there will be a great amount of information. The semester will move quickly, and it is important to stay on top of all of the tasks associated with this class. I wanted to take a minute to introduce myself as the instructor you will be working with while you are participating. It can be difficult with online classes as there is not as much face time, but I truly I truly enjoy getting to know the students that I work with. I have been an adjunct faculty member at CWI since 2017 and have taught drug use and abuse, health and wellness, and global health. I graduated from Lewis Clark State College with a bachelor's degree in psychology and a minor in addiction studies, as well as a bachelor's degree in justice studies with a minor in sociology. I always joke that I was not entirely sure what I wanted to do, but I knew that I would be in the human service field, and some combination of those degrees would get me there. I went on to obtain a master's degree in education with a focus of rehabilitation counseling and human services. I am passionate about teaching and helping students make connections from what they are learning to how it relates in the world. There is always more to learn, especially when we're talking about the subject of health on a global scale. I grew up in Papua New Guinea, which is a third world country off the coast of Australia. This really was when I began to understand how deeply people are impacted by opportunity and access to many of the amenities and privileges that we often take for granted. In my personal life, my husband and I spend time traveling and have enjoyed going to places such as China, Iceland, Zanzibar, Dubai, Italy, to name a few. We also host exchange students, and that's really just a great way to continue to grow our own cultural awareness and allow individuals who may not have that opportunity to get a glimpse of ours. While my husband and I spend time at home, we enjoy spending time with our 3 corgis, hiking, and going to concerts. This semester, we will be using the 4th edition of the text, Introduction to Global Health by Katherine Jacobson. And it's really important to have access to this book at the start of the semester as we begin day 1 with a review of the book. We'll cover a broad range of topics such as global health priorities, social determinants of health, human rights, varying diseases, sustainable development goals, mental health, and health promotion. The assignments that you will see in this class will include quizzes, discussion boards, case studies, unit exams, and the signature assignment. The course calendar will have specifics for what topics will be covered each week and when the due dates are. Every week will begin on Monday, and then assignments are due Sundays at 11:59 p.m. Global health is incredibly prevalent, and I am looking forward to an informative and valuable class with you all. Please reach out by email if you have any questions, or you can always schedule a time to meet with me either virtually or by phone. Have a wonderful semester, and I look forward to getting to know you all.